how to use fire crystals in Whiteout survival. So these are valuable resources that is often used to help you improve in Whiteout survival. So in order to obtain them, it's basically just exploration, resource nodes, missions and events, loots. You can get them from loots, yeah. Crafting and trading, daily rewards or logins. Also note that you can only use them once you're level 30. But anyways, here's how to use them. So one of the primary uses of fire crystals is to craft items that provide heat or warmth. So it's the warmth enhancing equipment, upgrading shelters or bases or defenses, special crafting recipes, enhancing fire related technologies, and basically just buffs. So you can save them because they're pretty much useful and valuable. Unfortunately, I can't show you how to use them because you need to be level 30 in order to use the fire crystals. So you're gonna have to grind a bit in order to reach that point. But that's pretty much all I can say for now. But anyways, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.